This is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6599. This ran from the 2nd 2017 and the 4th 2018. Has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front kidder slot, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,